What is energy? Have you ever wondered what it was like when people first discovered energy? Just think of it this way. If we didn't have energy, you wouldn't be able to play your video games or watch TV or cook cook put things in the refrigerator. Energy is in everything. It is often described as the ability to do work. Just tonight, I was enjoying the lightning that was outside. That is energy. What kind of energy is that? Correct. That's electrical energy. So today, we will be doing the 5 different forms of energy. And the objective for today is students are expected to tell the difference of the different forms of energy, including mechanical, sound, electrical, light, and thermal. And we will do this all using the MELT acronym that we have been working on in class. You will be making a Google slide presentation where you will write the definition and put images of correct types of energy. Images may go in 2 different categories, such as a candle. So let's look at this. So this is our Google slide presentation, okay? So I put my background. So to put your background, you would go to slide, and then to change background, and then choose image, and then you can upload one, or you can use a Google image search like I did, and go to energy, and you can pick one of these images and put them as your background. Then when you get to your slide, this is M for mechanical. So it says student will put definition of mechanical energy in own words to them. Student will put real life examples of images. So on this one, I went and I got it from Google, and I searched the images. But what's cool about this, on the Google slide presentation, you can go right here again into insert image, and you go right here to search the web, or you can upload it from your computer if you save the image. And as you can see, you put mechanical. Hold on, we gotta do that again. Insert image, search, and right now I have thermal energy, so we can put mechanical energy examples. So then it'll give you examples of mechanical energy. Real life examples. And I put a hammer because mechanical energy is energy that works, like a hammer works, or a bicycle. The next one is electrical, and again, you put your definition of electrical energy and then real life examples of the images. And again, you can just go into your search, so insert image, and you can just search the web, and you put light, or electrical energy, and there you go. There's this right here is power lines, which is electrical. If we had no power lines, there would be no electricity that would come through your house. So electrical power lines are very important. And so I have a picture of it right here. As you can see, you can put the image in there. You click it, and you put insert image, and then you insert the image. And then you're going to do that on light energy, and on thermal energy, and on sound energy, the same thing. And then you need to have a copyright page, because these aren't my images. I didn't make these images up, so you have to give credit to the author that made the images.